Yes, Jyoti, correct. Everyone done? Everyone done? Yes. Yes, super. So now, observe everyone clearly. So now here I'll tell you about roles and responsibilities. What are the roles and responsibilities you will be having as a test engineer? So everyone keep heading. Roles and responsibilities. Everyone keep heading roles and responsibilities. Just give me 1 second. I think I have some roles and responsibilities. Just copy paste it. Yes. So, guys, these roles and responsibilities are very, very, very important to mention in the interview. Understood? So, why? Because by this itself, interviewer will get to know what have you done in your project. Understood? So, what is this? So whatever we are doing, whatever work we are doing in our daily life, see one thing, we'll be spending, let us assume if we worked, if we are showing experience of 3 years, that means minimum 2.5 years every day 8 hours, 8 hours we are in company. Yes or no? 8 to 9 hours. Some companies 8 hours, some companies 9 hours. Yes or no? Yes or no? So in that specific period of time, we have done so much of works. We have done so many of works. Correct. So you need to mention what have you done there. What have you done there? We need to mention. Like first thing, if you observe carefully, what is the first thing we will do? What is my first roles and responsibilities? I'm what is this requirement gathering or requirement analysis? Will be doing the first thing. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we'll be analyzing the requirement, and then we are going to understand the requirement, and then we will be writing the test cases, and we will be attending meetings. Yes or no? Correct. Yes, we need to mention all those things. We need to mention all those things. Yes. Now I'll display the roles and responsibilities. Just I want you to copy all those things. Yes, start copying. First point, requirement gathering and requirement analysis. And next one is ensure timely deliver to the work to the request, involved in preparing the test scenarios and writing the test cases. And I have reviewed the test cases, and then creating the traceability matrix, and then involved in functional regression integration system testings. So next, involved in test executions, overall test process of phase, and then actively involved in logging the defects, and then generating the reports as per the client requirements, day-to-day project life, and next one also I'll mention. Attending all agile meetings. Yes, obviously, for every project you need to mention. See, one thing, how many projects you do as a test engineer, your work is same. Let's assume I have done 10 projects. So, will my work changes from project to project? No. First project I have tested, second project also I have to test, third project also have to test. Yes or no? Simple. Ensure timely delivery means like we are going to deliver product to the customer on the time. So I'm making sure I'm doing my work on time. Okay, Jyoti. So doing work on time. Yes, you can mention any other testings also, no issues. But don't mention performance testing. Performance testing, if you want to do performance testing, you should know about performance testing tools, how to work on that, how to write the scripts. So you know how to write the script on performance testing tool. If you know, you can mention, no issues. If you don't know, don't mention. Logging the defects, that means defect reporting. Logging defect means defect reporting. You will report the defect now when you find the defect. That is logging the defect. It's a technical term what we will use. Juniors or freshers, anyone is fine. Juniors and freshers also. Sometimes even juniors need some KT, no? Yes, Gaurav. Sir, what about agile meetings? Yeah, you know about agile meetings, no? 11th point is that one only, Santosh. You know what are the agile meetings you'll be attending? KT means knowledge transfer. Knowledge transfer. Yes, Shivan. Yes, Shubham, there are chances. I'll tell you what to tell. Across the phase of testing means your test cycle. Test cycle, yes. Knowledge transfer. KT is nothing but knowledge transfer. Yes, obviously, Jyoti. Guys, what is there to explain each and every point? You can understand easily, no? Requirement gathering and requirement analysis. No? Requirement gathering is not from customer. Requirement gathering is from what is this? Sprint backlog. Pavitra, sprint backlog. You know what is sprint backlog, correct? Yes, and requirement analysis, understanding the requirement. Understanding the requirement, and then I'll be ensuring time to deliver. That means I'll be working on time to deliver the product on to the customer. And third point, involved in preparing the test scenarios. I hope everyone knows how to write the test scenario. And then involved in preparing writing the test cases. And then I have reviewed the test cases. I have created traceability matrix. I have involved in doing functionality integration systems, smoke, ad hoc regression testings. Involved in test executions across all phase of testing. In every phase, I have done my testings. Actively involved in logging the defects. While doing testing, I will find some defects, I have logged the defects. And then generating reports as per the client requirements and sending day-to-day project reports to the test leads. That means whenever we are delivering to the customer, I have generated test execution reports. Correct. All these reports I have executed. And then finally, I've attended agile meetings in my company. I was involved in giving KT to juniors and involved in preparing the test plan also. Understood? Yes, you have to mention all these points. Ramakal, understood? Yes. Easy one only, no? You have already learned in manual testing and you know the process also. See, one thing you are seeing everything new. Nothing, I'm not teaching anything new. I'm teaching in different manner. That's it. Priya, have you worked on that tool? That is for fresher point of view. Don't mention the tools what you have learned in what is this manual testing. In Bugzilla, they have tell you how what is the process. I think you have not worked on Bugzilla, correct? So don't mention. Understood? Yes. So that is for the knowledge purpose. That's it. So tool, whatever you are mentioning, I'll be giving you the what is this? This thing. What is this? Jira. Sir, will Surabhi, I have explained about this domain explanation, no? Domain explanation. Have you attended that class? Domain explanation. If you know domain explanation, you can just do that. So, what is logging defect, sir? Sudhir Kumar. Beside that, I have written no reporting a defect. What do you mean by logging defect means? Logging defect is nothing but reporting a defect. Okay. Yes. Everyone done? Yes. Yes. So now we'll be doing like how to explain the project. Everyone, observe carefully. So how to explain your projects? I'll mention now. Project explanation. First, yes, again, first we need to always start with project name. Project name followed by project domain, to which domain it belongs to. And next we need to mention about duration, duration of the project. What is the duration of the project? And then we need to mention about what is a reasons for developing project, reasons for developing the project. What are the main reasons that are there for developing this project? See, I've already told you there is no project in the world which is developed for fun. Every project in the world has been developed for maybe partially or completely they are using it for business. Yes or no? What is the main reason for developing this project? Next, number of modules in your present in your project. Number of modules present in your project. Next, the sixth one is number of modules you have worked on. Number of modules you have worked on. And finally, next we need to mention about workflow of your project. Workflow of your project. And next you need to mention about working functionality of project. Working functionality of a project also we need to mention. Understood everyone? Yes. And finally, shall I explain all modules in detail? Understood everyone? So this is how we will be mentioning about the project in the interview. So first of all, I need to start with the project name and when followed by domain and duration of the project. What is the duration? And then reasons for developing the project and number of modules present in the project and number of modules worked on. And then what is this workflow of the project, working functionality of the project. So then last I need to mention, so I'll explain all the modules. So first copy this, then I'll explain each and everything in detail. Okay. Copy. Roles and responsibilities is only for experience. It's not for freshers. Your experience of fresher. Harsha, we will be learning in manual testing class now what happens in agile meetings. What is sprint plan meeting? What is sprint review meeting? What is retrospective meeting? What is daily stand-up meeting? What will happen in each and every meeting? You have learned in manual testing class now. That's it. So the release date of the project should within the mentioned experience. No, it's not a rule, Manoranjan. No, Kagesh. If you are applying as a fresher, no need to mention about your roles and responsibilities. And at that time, your self-introduction will be different. So that already for freshers, they will be telling in manual testing classes. So here I'm here to teach experience flows and also I'll be teaching how to answer as an experienced candidate. Okay. Yes. You can keep a heading project explanation. Sir, since this will be my first job in IT, so how should I explain? Yes, so what you will explain? You are applying as an experienced or fresher? Raju. For freshers, project is not required. For freshers, project is not required. It's for experienced guy. So reasons also I'm giving. So increase the sales by creating better plans and detailed analytics and automated sales reports. So I can have my sales report in an automated manner, digital manner, and the detailed analytics. I can analyze each and everything detailedly by using a software and better customer interaction. So that I'll be having a complete organized data. I can interact with the customers easily. I can make call them easily. I can just maintain all data in an organized manner. Yes, plans is nothing but strategies or something campaign we can call. Jyoti, correct. Yes, Suraj, wait, I'll tell each and everything. One by one, we'll go. Okay. I'll explain what is working functionality. Yes, Jyoti, we can do that. If it is direct potential, we can do that. No issues. Yes. Yes. So done, everyone. Done. Copied this, everyone. Yes. So total, how many modules are there in your project? 8. We only worked on 11 modules, no? We only worked on 11, no? Yes. So if they ask how many modules are there, tell them in my project we have 21 modules. How many modules we have? 21 or anything between 18 to 22 modules. Okay, 18 to 22 modules. If they ask names, I hope you have seen in the project we have other modules also, reports we have, analysis we have, and then forecast we have. Correct. So all those things you can mention. Activities you have, vendors you have. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, you can mention all those things. So number of modules you have worked on, mention 11 modules. Modules. And workflow I have given, no? Workflow already I have given. Already I have given the workflow. So please refer your notes to get the workflow already. Yes. What is this working functionality? Working functionality is nothing but explain every module in detail. Excuse me. Explain each and every module in detail. That means whatever modules you have, all the modules you need to explain in detail. Clear, everyone? Yes. Example. Yes. So first I'll tell the project explanation of this particular working functionality. So what is the first module we have? Campaign. Yes. So in order to create a campaign, so first of all I need to log in as admin. When I log in as admin, campaign what is this home page will be displayed. Now I need to click on campaign major tab. When I click on campaign major tab, campaign list page will be displayed. Now this campaign list page, as I want to create a new campaign, I have to click on new campaign button. When I click on new campaign button, create campaign page will be displayed. Here I need to enter all the details like campaign subject, campaign name, campaign status, campaign type, campaign start date, campaign end date, what is the budgeted cost, what is the expected revenue, what is the actual cost, what is the expected response, what is the num sent, and then description about the campaign. After entering all the details, I need to click on save. So when I click on save, campaign details page will be displayed, and this created campaign will be displayed in recent items as well as campaign list page. So next, once after campaign is completed, next we have a module called as lead module. So wherein this lead is nothing but while doing a campaign, if you get any details of a particular people, we'll call it as leads data. So this data I need to store it in CRM application. So I have to click on leads major tab. When I click on leads major tab, lead list page will be displayed. Lead list page will be displayed. Now I need to click on new lead button. When I click on new lead button, create lead page will be displayed. I have to enter all the details. After entering all the details, Varshita, just give me once again. So after entering all the details, I need to click on save button. When I click on save button, lead details page will be displayed, and it will be displayed in recent items as well as lead list page. Understood? So this is how we need to explain all the 11 modules. Clear, everyone? Yes. Yes, Arshita, you can do that.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, guys. This is Vashita from Announcement Team. Am I audible to everyone? Yes, okay. So, guys, I've shared you the feedback link in your broadcast. I hope everyone received, right? Feedback link. Yes. So, guys, it's hardly take a 2 minutes of time. So, 2 to 3 minutes of time. So, please fill it, everyone. So, once if it is done, so please let me know. I will be sharing the requirement, guys. Okay. So, everyone has to be filled the form. So, for your sake only, we are collecting the feedback. So, if you have any queries, guys, regarding the HRs, counselors, trainer, so please mention it here. Okay. So, once if it is done. So advanced selenium, I think it's already started at evening slot. So it's already started with evening slot. So if you want with another new batch, so please contact with the counselors. So they will tell you when it will be. Okay. So guys, regarding the new batches, so please contact with the counselors. Even we will be getting update from them only. Okay. So better please contact with the counselors. So they will share you the link and they will update you. Okay, so please fill the form, guys. Everyone has to be fill the form. So once if it is done, so please let me know. I will be sharing the requirements.